what this is called.
Caw!
It's not even what this event is called. Wait. Oh, no, it's 12.
Not again. Not again. Not like this.
It was so peaceful earlier.
Oh, I guess there weren't anybody coming.
We just...
I thought there was...
Bird noises!
Bird noises!
Go! Go! It is Alpha Flight!
We just
I
got
am
all
a
the
talking
photos out of
bird!
here. Man.
Go!
Hey, this works. 12 hours ago exactly, Zeta was rotating the cushions. Go! Rotate the cushions!
Cushions!
Let me fly some cushions over!
Rotate the cushions!
Flying cushions!
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
bottom
gonna-
cushions
oh,
too.
I got burn all over me.
Yeah! Yes! Good job! No!
There it is.
Bird noises! Bird noises! Bird noises!
Bottom cushions.
How did I get for an extra cushion?
We need a quarter bottom cushion. Oh, no, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine.
We got it.
Turns out rotating the cushions is harder than it originally appeared.
Yeah.
You gotta actually put all the right number
All
on.
right, everybody. Welcome to Zeta Shift.
Formerly known as.
Formerly known as Alpha Flight.
I've never Zeta'd before.
Which you can tell because of the birds.
I came dressed.
Yeah, Kit came prepared.
Yes, my shift is sponsored by Santa Fe Harley Davidson. Which
don't
my
believe
brothers
you.
own, and really truly, if you
Oh, that's awesome.
want to go and say hi and you live in New Mexico, go to Santa Fe Harley Davidson and bug my brothers.
Cool.
They will cope.
Ask them to explain Zeta Shift to you.
Yeah, feel free.